deal with. How do you take care of self-care? And tell us, how do you practically do it?
That's a tough one. But I think for any mom, time management is the best hack and the best tool where you can, find time for yourself. So for me, it's the morning 2 hours before all the chaos starts.
Okay.
So I love to, go and play tennis. And there are
What
days
time do
when
you
this-
wake up? Typically?
So I wake up around 6:30.
Yes.
And of course, my kids go to school around 7.
Hmm.
So, very less time between that. But for me, the best hack that's worked on the days when it's too busy, because on the days when you have a holiday and you have enough time, you can always, read a book, relax, do all the meditations.
Yes.
For me, the self-care time is in the commute. When I'm going to work or when I'm going somewhere, I will put on my meditation, listen to it. I love to do this 20-minute meditation by Vishen, which is a 6-phase meditation, and it has 6 phases that you go through in those 20 minutes, and it's amazing. And it really sets the tone for the day. I do it at night before sleeping.
Okay.
A lot of times I'm so tired that I put it on and I go off to sleep, but the subconscious mind is listening to it. So
Yes.
I can see its effects also.
Hmm.
So the commute time is where, I listen to podcasts. There are days when I love to work out alone. So when I'm working out alone, I'm listening to these things. So
Right.
these are the times where, I like. And weekends is something where I get good amount of time to, for my self-care routine. So I love to read a book. I always keep giving a lot of exams. So I love to study for that during that time.
Right.
So I think that is the time where I get to do a few things that I like. I love to go on a walk. That is again a good time to listen to good podcasts, to listen to good books, to listen to meditations even around that time. So I think you can just figure it out for yourself.